Hello class 7, welcome to the maths class. So today we are going to start with the decimal, okay? That is where we are going to start from exercise number 2.5. Now before starting with the numerics of decimal, we need to know some small things about decimals, okay? Which we have already known before maybe, or maybe we have not known, but we are going to discuss it bit in this class, okay? So you can see I have taken one decimal 9.35. Now you know that point stands for the decimal, right? Now here you can see a whole number is there before the decimal point or decimal sign, and two numbers, that is 3 and 5, that is lying just after the point, okay? These two parts are named different. What are they? The numbers which are lying before the point, they are called the integral parts, and those numbers which are lying after the point, they are known as decimal part. Okay, that is the reason this whole operation or this whole system of maths, this will be termed as decimal, because we are going to deal with the points and how we are doing operation related to the point or decimal numbers. Okay, so here as we have taken this number 9.35. Now there are some difference in the place value system. Okay, so what are they? Till now we have known that there are unique, tens, 100, 1000 place values in the Indian system. That is unique, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and on just before. Now as you can see that from now on we have to know something, what is lying behind it, what is lying behind the unit. So after behind the unit there is lying the point or decimal sign. Now behind those numbers which are lying behind the decimal sign, what will be their place values? Okay, so let's put this number. So when we are putting the place value of this number, that is 9.35. So here if we are starting it, this is a unit, right? Because 9 is a unit, and if we are tracing it forward, it will be unit, tens, 100, 1000 and all. So I am going to put this number in unit. Okay. Now what will be the place value of this 0.35? We cannot say this as 0.35, okay? Because we will be calling them as 0.35 and anything. We are not going to call them as 300, 3500 or like this, because their place value will be different. What is their place value? Then when we are going in the right hand side of this place value chart, they will be denoted as here 1/10, okay, 1 by 10. Then 100 means 1 by 100. 1000 means 1 by 1000. So their place value, if they here they were 10, 100, 1000, they will be 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000 and all. So after this unit, what will be their place value? So they will be 3 into 1 by 10, as it is placing out here. Once again, what will be the place value of this 5? 5 into 1 by 1000. Okay, so when we are logically explaining or expanding this term 9.35, say it is, how we are going to expand this term? 9 plus 3 by 10, okay, plus 5 by 100. Okay, so when we are adding this up, if you are going to divide this 3 by 10, this is going to give you a number of 0.3. How? 10 as 10 is a 2-digit number and 3 is a 1-digit number, we cannot divide it without taking a point. And the meaning of taking a point means you are begging 1 0 just behind it. So first, if we have taken a point, it means we are begging for a zero. So 10 3 is a 30, we can say that, right? So the value of 3 by 10 is your 9 plus 0.3, and eventually similar way, when we are dividing 5 by 100, it will be 0.05, and eventually you can see there was the unit place or 10th place was empty and filled with a 0, and we have put the 5 in the 100th place. Then eventually if there are more numbers, if it is 9.36 out here, that would have been 6 by 1000, means 1000th place. Okay, so that will be eventually how would I have written this? 0.006, where 1000th place this is the 100 and this is the 10th place. Understand? Now let's move toward the exercise sums. So let's start with the number 1. So what has been said, please take out page number 45, where it has been said that write the place value of the digit 2 in the following decimal numbers. Okay, so see here I have taken 2 decimal numbers and left 2 for equals. So we have to do what? We have to find out the place value. Just now we have understood how will be the place value of these numbers or decimal numbers. So here, see, we just have to find out the place value of digit 2. Okay, so here is the digit 2 and here is the digit 2. So what will be the digit 2, the place value of digit 2 out here? That is pretty simple, right? You know that. So here the place value of 2 equal to 2 into this is the unit place and this is the tens place. So 2 will be multiplied with 10, which is giving a 20. Understand? After that, look at this. If this is the unit tens before the point, so behind the point or after the point, what it will be? Tenth. So I am going to represent this by 1 by 10. Place value of 5 is 1 by 100 and place value of 2 is 1 by 1000. So the place value of 2 will be 2 into 1 by 1000. That means 2 by 1000. Right? I hope you are understanding how we are going to do it. Okay? So I guess you have understand this process. How we have find out the place value of digit 2 in these numbers. So remaining 2 you have to do. Okay? Now coming to the number 2. Where what we will learn? We will learn how to convert a decimal into the fraction. Okay? So decimal and fraction, these two numbers are very intricately related. Now how they are related? How we can convert a decimal into its fraction form? Look at this number. The unit place, there is a 0. Now in the 1 by 10th place, 2. In the next one, 1 by 100 and here 1 by 1000. Now whenever we have to convert a number into its fraction form, we will keep the total number in the numerator. So we are going to keep the 225 in the numerator, and the denominator will be filled with the place value of the extreme, the number that is in the extreme right. Okay, so which number is in the extreme right of this? The place value of 5 we will consider. So what that will be? 1000, right? So we are going to divide 225 by 1000, or we are considering a fraction of 225 by 1000. Now we cannot keep this number because both of these are bigger number, larger number. So we have to reduce them in their simplest form. Now look at this number. There is a 5 at the ending and 0 at the ending. So we can understand from there that both the numerator and denominator can be cancelled out and divided by 5. So let's do that. Convert them into their simplest form. When we are dividing 225 by 5, it will give a number of 45. And when we are dividing 1000 by 5, it will give 200. Right. Now after that, we can further reconsider them or reduce them. How we are going to reduce them? It is going to be 5 nines are 45 and 5 fours are 20 and 0 will remain in there. Now see, this 9 and 40 cannot be cancelled out further. They don't have any common multiple in between. Right. So this is going to be our required answer. Now coming back with the number 3. Here see, we have to convert what? A decimal into its mixed fraction form. In our previous one, what we have converted? We have converted it into a proper fraction. Now we are going to convert it in a mixed fraction, eventually in a improper fraction. So let's start it. See here, 5.05. Now how I said earlier that we are going to convert it into a fraction form. First we will keep all the numbers in the numerator. Then we will consider the place value of the extreme right number. So extreme right digit is the 5, and what is its place value? Its place value is 1 by 100. Right? So we are going to put 100 in the denominator. Now what we have to do? We have to, now you can see this is an improper fraction. Now what we have to do? We have to convert it into its mixed fraction, because you can see that improper fractions cannot be kept like that. So let's divide it. So 100 fives are 500, and after subtracting it gives a number of 5. So here it comes as this. Now see here, you can see in this new proper fraction, this fraction is incomplete. Why it is incomplete? Because it is not in its simplest form. Because 100 can further be divided by 5, and it can further be divided by 5 itself. So we are going to cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. So the real answer, or the real mixed fraction form, final one will be this. Alright. After that, look at this number 4, where we are going to convert a fraction into its decimal form. Now how do we do that? We have to simply divide the numerator with the denominator, whatever it may be. So here see, the number 1 gives 3 by 5. Now we are going to put it in the same way. Now see, the divisor is bigger than the dividend, right? So we have to borrow it. So first, as it is not going directly by it, that's why we are putting a 0 first. Then let's take a point and decimal, or we can say that. So What is the meaning of taking a decimal? That it means borrowing a 0. Borrowing a 0 beside 3. Now see, this dividend became bigger than the divisor. Now we can divide it. So 5 6 are 30. It gets cancelled totally and we get our decimal form. So in this way we do the initial and simple operations of decimal, and I hope you will do the rest of the sum from sum number 1 to sum number 4 and submit me. So see you in the next video. Thank you.